Hi, I'm here to show you how to get your student onto their Google Meet for the virtual morning meeting. When your student logs into their computer using their QR badge, the Google Chrome app should pop right up, and it should bring them directly to the OSSD Elementary Learning Hub. And this has all of the school's websites. And so they're going to press on RES Wizards. They know how to do this already. We've been practicing in class. It brings them to Randolph Elementary. They know to scroll down to look for grades 1, 2, and 2. We are the pandas, so they know that that is our class. And it will bring them to Miss Houston's Learning Hub and all of the different applications that we will be using this year, or can use this year. But the main one that I want them to focus on this week is the Google Meet. When they click on the Google Meet, it is automatically linked to their email account. So you'll notice that my email account is linked. So it shows my meeting that I had earlier today. And it will show the same thing for them. Their email account, the meeting that they have for that day, which will be the virtual morning meeting. They will click on it, and this page will pop up, and it will ask them ready to join, and they just press join now. So very easy for them to hop on to the virtual morning meeting, not that many steps. They can also hop on by doing our virtual classroom. They have been looking at our virtual classroom a little bit last week and this coming week. We will be putting the links to our virtual morning meetings on the assignments, the assignment pages, which are associated with the day that they are remote learning. So you'll see Wednesday, we will be starting our virtual morning meetings. So if you are home Wednesday and doing remote learning on Wednesday, we will have our first virtual morning meeting. If your student is home on Thursday, they will be having their first virtual morning meeting. Friday, everyone will be having their virtual morning meeting with me at 8:30, and then the time will remain the same. And the really great thing about this is they just click on the link. It automatically brings them to the virtual morning meeting. They click join, then they are there. It's pretty easy for them to navigate. We will focus on them navigating through the Google Meet button, so it's less steps for them to click, less things for them to click. But I just wanted to show you that it will also be on the virtual classroom, my Bitmoji classroom, if you do need to troubleshoot and get on another way. Feel free to check out the virtual classroom with your child. It's pretty fun. We're making it interactive for the students. Eventually, their assignments will be up on the days that they are remote, and they will be doing their assignments through that. But for now, we are just focusing on the Google Meets for this coming week to get everybody used to it. Please email me if you have any questions. I'm happy to help in any way.